Welcome to the Benefits of. This channel covers all things health. Today, let's discuss the health benefits of zinc. The mighty zinc tiny mineral, huge impact. Did you know that zinc is found in every single cell of your body? It's true, this mighty mineral might be small, but it plays a big role in keeping you healthy. From your immune system to your taste buds, zinc is a key player. So let's dive in and explore the amazing world of zinc and how it can benefit you. We often hear about vitamins, but minerals like zinc are just as crucial for our well-being. They work behind the scenes, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Think of zinc as a vital cog in the intricate machinery of your body. Without it, things can start to go haywire. You might be surprised to learn that zinc is involved in over 300 different enzyme reactions in your body. That's a lot of responsibility for one little mineral. These enzymes are involved in a wide range of bodily functions, from digesting your food to healing wounds. Without enough zinc, these processes wouldn't be as efficient. The good news is that getting enough zinc is easier than you might think. By making simple tweaks to your diet, you can ensure you're getting your daily dose of this essential mineral. So, read on to discover the power of zinc and how to unlock its benefits for a healthier, happier you. Zinc, your body's little helper. Imagine your body as a bustling city. Zinc is like the hard-working construction crew, constantly repairing and maintaining everything to keep things running smoothly. It helps build and repair tissues, ensuring your body stays in tip-top shape. But zinc's role doesn't stop there. It's also a vital part of your immune system, acting like a vigilant security guard, protecting you from harmful invaders like bacteria and viruses. A strong immune system is your best defense against illness, and zinc plays a crucial role in keeping it strong. And let's not forget about cell growth and division. Zinc is essential for these processes, ensuring your body can create new cells and replace old or damaged ones. This constant renewal is vital for growth, development, and overall health. So as you can see, zinc is a busy bee in your body, working tirelessly to keep you healthy and functioning at your best. It's not just about preventing deficiencies, it's about optimizing your health and well-being. Zinc in action health benefits you need to know. Let's get specific about how zinc benefits your health. One area where zinc shines is immune support. Studies have shown that zinc can reduce the duration and severity of the common cold. It's like having a secret weapon against those pesky sniffles. But zinc's benefits go far beyond the common cold. Research suggests that zinc may also play a role in reducing inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to many health problems, so keeping it in check is crucial. Another exciting area of research is zinc's potential impact on cognitive function. Some studies suggest that zinc may play a role in improving memory and learning. While more research is needed, these early findings are promising. And for those concerned about skin health, zinc is a valuable ally. It helps with wound healing and may even reduce acne breakouts. So from the inside out, zinc contributes to healthier, more radiant skin. Section 4. Fuel up on zinc delicious and easy ways. Now that you know the incredible benefits of zinc, you're probably wondering how to get more of it in your diet. The good news is that many delicious foods are packed with this essential mineral. Eating a varied and balanced diet is key. One of the best sources of zinc is oysters. They're like little zinc powerhouses. But don't worry if you're not a fan of seafood. There are plenty of other options. Meat, especially red meat, is another excellent source of zinc. If you're looking for plant-based options, lentils, beans, and chickpeas are great choices. Nuts and seeds, like pumpkin seeds and cashews, are also good sources of zinc and make for a healthy and satisfying snack. And here's a bonus tip. Soaking beans, lentils, and grains before cooking can help improve zinc absorption. So try incorporating these simple tips into your daily routine to boost your zinc intake naturally. Section 5. Zinc, finding your balance. While zinc is essential for good health, it's crucial to get the right amount. The recommended daily intake varies depending on your age and gender. For adult men, it's around 11 milligrams per day, while adult women need about 8 milligrams. Zinc deficiency is relatively uncommon in developed countries, but can occur if your diet lacks variety or you have certain health conditions. Symptoms of zinc deficiency can include hair loss, impaired immune function, and delayed wound healing. On the other hand, excessive zinc intake can also be harmful, interfering with the absorption of other minerals like copper. It's always best to talk to your doctor before taking zinc supplements to determine the right dosage for you. Remember, balance is key when it comes to nutrition. By focusing on a healthy, balanced diet filled with zinc-rich foods, you can reap the benefits of this mighty mineral without overdoing it. Section 6. Embrace the power of zinc. In a world of superfoods and trendy diets, it's easy to overlook the importance of essential minerals like zinc. But as you've learned, zinc is a true nutritional powerhouse, playing a vital role in countless bodily functions. From boosting your immune system to supporting healthy skin, zinc is a true ally in your quest for optimal health and well-being. And the best part is that getting enough zinc is easy and delicious. So embrace the power of zinc and make it a part of your daily routine. By making simple tweaks to your diet and incorporating zinc-rich foods, you can unlock the incredible benefits of this mighty mineral and enjoy a healthier, happier you. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the information and found it helpful. Remember, the content here is for educational purposes and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any major health decisions. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Don't forget to check the links below for additional resources. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. See you in the next video.